Hey and welcome, I'm your boy Solo. In this video I'll be going over how to set up the Pokemon community game to show up on your stream, and before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. First thing we need to do is to make sure that the Pokemon game is added to your chat and added to a panel on your Twitch. I do have a full video covering how to do that, and I will make sure to leave a link to that in the description below. In this video I'm assuming you already have it installed, as you're trying to add it to stream is probably not the first place to start. That being said, all you'll need to do is just jump over to your Twitch page. I already have mine loaded up here, but all you'll need to do is just jump into Twitch. When you load up, it's going to show the home page. We'll go over here, click our drop down menu, click on the icon, and we're going to click on channel. Now in here, we're just going to go to the chat. You can go to the about page. It will work in there also. It should be both places. If you added it as a panel, it should be here and there as well. Once that page is loaded up, just scroll down and find your panels. Now this is the part that most people are having an issue with. They're not really thinking of it as a browser source, but that's really all it is. So when we're down here, all we'll have to do is go to the bottom of the page, the Pokemon community panel, and there's a little button here to pop out the extension. So we need to give this here a click. Now when this here pops out, it's going to give you a browser source, and it's going to give you a window that you can add in OBS. Now all we need to do is give OBS a launch. So we're going to launch OBS from here. After that, go down here and click the plus in sources, and we're going to use a window capture. I tried to use the browser capture, but I kept running into a problem where it kept saying it asked me for my Twitch ID, and I'm not quite sure how to fix that issue. So for this example, I'm going to add it as a window capture. In window capture, make sure to name it something like Pokemon Game. And the first option should be window. In the drop down, you should be able to find Chrome Pokemon Community Game, but if you don't see it, try each one until you do find it, but it's just as easy as clicking it and clicking OK. This should load up right away in OBS after clicking the OK. The last thing that we're going to need to do is we don't want to leak this here URL that we have. Give me a click and put it here in the middle. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. We don't really want to be leaking the URL or have it showing up. So you can add it as a different size. I added it small so it doesn't show my extension number. You can add this in many different sizes. I just added it in this here size for the example. You can definitely add it bigger so that you can view it better. And if you change the size in the window itself, so if you go back and you grab the tab and you make it a little bit bigger, it will make it bigger on your stream too. So keep that in mind, that if you want it to look a little better, you can definitely make it a little bit bigger. But like I said, for this one here, we're gonna wanna hide where it says Twitch Community Game and this here web address. To do this, all we're gonna have to do is go to the top here, press and hold Alt, then click and drag it down so that it crops this here to the top of the Pokemon Community Game. So then you're not leaking your address. If you make it too big and leak the address, I don't know if that'll cause any problems. This is just a procedure I do just to make sure that I'm not leaking something that I shouldn't be. After that, all you'll need to do is just add it to your scene anywhere you would like. And this way you'll only see the game as well. You won't see the extra stuff. But that's really it. That's all there is to it. Now it's added to OBS. Viewers can watch you battle your Pokemon, or just, it depends on what you're doing. They can see you go into the store. They can watch what you're doing now, and this is the way that you can add it to your stream. Like I said, you can't use browser source. I'm pretty sure there's a problem there. But if you do know how to fix that, definitely let me know down in the description below. But that's it for this one here. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching.